皆さん、こんにちは。This is another JLPT N5 drill video. I hope it helps your next JLPT exam. If you like these videos, please subscribe and hit the like button, and that will help our channel so much. By the way, Japan is the only country that speaks Japanese language. And since you're learning Japanese language, are you planning to go to Japan soon? Let me know if you're waiting for Japan to open for tourists. Right now, the country is closed for no more tourists, but hopefully they will open soon. Actually, I myself is waiting for the country to open for tourists without any quarantines, because I don't want to be in a quarantine and stay at a hotel for 3 days. Also, my wife is not Japanese, so that it makes it harder for us to go to Japan. Let me know if you're planning to go to Japan once it opens. Alright, let's get to the multiple choice questions. 問題1。河川に何を入れますか？一番良いものを一つ選んでください。What goes into the underlined space? Pick a choice that fits the best. この飲み物はです。砂糖がたくさん入っています。Number 1. 辛い。Number 2. 少ない。Number 3. 甘い。Number 4. 汚い。Which one do you think is the answer? Let's look at the answer. The answer is number 3. この飲み物は甘いです。砂糖がたくさん入っています。This drink is sweet. It has a lot of sugar in it. Choice number 1. 辛い。That means spicy. Number 2. 少ない。That means not much, small amount. Number 3. 甘い。That means sweet. Number 4. 汚い。That means dirty. So the second sentence, 砂糖がたくさん入っています。That means it has a lot of sugar. So that means it is sweet. So choice number 3 is the answer. Let's go to the next question. 好きな友達と話すのはとてもです。好きな友達と話すのはとてもです。Number 1. 悲しい。Number 2. 嫌い。Number 3. 楽しい。Number 4. つまらない。Which one do you think is the answer? The answer is number 3. 好きな友達と話すのはとても楽しいです。It's fun to talk to friends you like. So 好きな友達 that means, friends you like. 話す that means to talk. とても that means very, so very what? Choice number 1. 悲しい that means sad. 嫌い that means don't like or hate. Number 3. 楽しい that means fun. Number 4. つまらない that means boring. Right, it's fun to talk to friends you like, so number 3 is the answer. Next question. 階段は小さい子供にはです。階段は小さい子供にはです。Number 1. 明るい。Number 2. 忙しい。Number 3. 危ない。Number 4. 新しい。Which one do you think is the answer? The answer is number 3. 階段は小さい子供には危ないです。階段は小さい子供には危ないです。階段 that means stairs. 小さい子供 That means small children or small child. So stairs are dangerous for small children. Right. Choice number 1, 明るい. That means bright or sunny. Number 2, 忙しい. That means busy. Number 3, 危ない. That means dangerous. So that's the answer. Number 4, 新しい. That means new or latest. Alright, let's look at the next question. 電気を消したら部屋が鳴りました。Number 1, 明るく。Number 2, 冷たく。Number 3, 黒く。Number 4, 黒く。The answer is number 4, 暗く。電気を消したら部屋が暗くなりました。When I turned off the light, the room became dark. So 電気, that means electricity or electric light. And 部屋, that means room. なりました. So that means became. Right, so when you turn off the light, what happens? The room becomes dark. Number 1, 明るく。明るい that means bright. Number 2, 冷たく。冷たい that means cold. Number 3, 黒く。黒い that means black. Adjective. 暗く Number 4, 暗く。And 暗い that means dark. So 部屋が暗くなりました。That means the room became dark. Alright, let's look at the next question. 物はここには置かないでください。物はここには置かないでください。Number 1, 寒い。Number 2, 大切な。Number 3, 嬉しい。Number 4, 痛い。Which one do you think is the answer? The answer is number 2. 大切なものはここには置かないでください。大切なものはここには置かないでください。Please don't put important things here. Choice number 1, 寒い。That means cold. Actually means weather is cold, not things are cold. Okay. Number 2, 大切な。That means important. Number 3, 嬉しい。That means glad or happy. Number 4, 痛い。That means painful. Right, so 寒いもの。That doesn't make sense. You know, 寒い. That means weather is cold, not things are cold. Number 3, 嬉しい. You know, glad things or happy things. Don't put happy things here. That doesn't make sense. Number 4, 痛い, painful. So don't put painful things here. That doesn't really make sense either. So number 2, 大切な, important is the answer. Let's go to the next question. 前は佐藤さんがでした。今は好きです。前は佐藤さんがでした。今は好きです。Number 1, 新しい。Number 2, 近い。Number 3, 早い。Number 4, 嫌い。Which one do you think is the answer? The answer is number 4. 前は佐藤さんが嫌いでした。今は好きです。I didn't like Sato before, but I like him now. Right, 前, that means before. Sato, that is a person's name. And then, でした。今は好きです。That means I like him, I like it, or I like him now. So, 前は佐藤さんがでした。今は好きです。So that means before didn't like him before because it's the opposite of now. So we need to pick the word that means didn't like. Right, so number one, 新しい that means new. Number two, 近い that means close or nearby. Number three, 早い that means fast. Number four, 嫌い don't like or hate. So number four is the answer. I didn't like Sato before, but I like him now. Alright, let's go to the next question. 朝は暇ですが、夜はです。朝は暇ですが、夜はです。Number one, 軽い。Number two, 寂しい。Number three, 忙しい。Number four, 甘い。Which one do you think is the answer? The answer is number three. 朝は暇ですが、夜は忙しいです。I am free in the morning, but I'm busy at night. Right, so 朝 that means morning. 暇 that means free of spare time. が that means, but. 夜 that means night. Since I'm saying but, it's the opposite of free or have spare time. So that means busy. Choice number one, 軽い that means light in weight. Number two, 寂しい that means lonely. Number three, 忙しい that means busy. So that's the answer. Number four, 甘い that means sweet. Alright, 朝は暇ですが、夜は忙しいです。I'm free in the morning, but I'm busy at night. Let's go to the last question. 日本人の髪の毛は太いですが、私の髪はです。日本人の髪の毛は太いですが、私の髪はです。Number one, 細い。Number two, 広い。Number three, 辛い。Number four, 黄色い。Which one do you think is the answer? Alright, let's look at the answer. The answer is number one. 日本人の髪の毛は太いですが、私の髪は細いです。Japanese people's hair is thick, but my hair is thin. Alright, so 日本人の髪の毛 that means Japanese people's hair. 太い that means thick. And it says が that means but. So my hair is the opposite. That means thin. Number one, 細い that means thin. So that's the answer. Number two, 広い that means wide. And we don't use this 広い we don't use this word 広い for hair. We use 太い thick. Number three, 辛い that means spicy or hot. Number four, 黄色い that means yellow, adjective, not noun. 日本人の髪の毛は太いですが、私の髪は細いです。Japanese people's hair is thick, but my hair is thin. Alright, 髪の毛 that means hair. And you can also make it short and say 髪. But if you say 髪, it can mean hair or paper. And if you're speaking to Japanese people or just listening to Japanese people, you just need to understand the context and decide which one it is. But if you say 髪の毛, then you can tell it's hair 100% not paper. Alright, let's review the vocabulary that were in the questions. 辛い spicy, hot. 甘い sweet. 少ない not much, small amount. 汚い dirty, きれい clean 悲しい sad 嫌い don't like 楽しい fun つまらない boring 明るい bright sunny 忙しい busy 暇 free spare time 危ない dangerous 新しい new 古い old 明るい bright 暗い dark 黒い black adjective 冷たい cold 暖かい warm 寒い cold but it's talking about weather 大切な important 嬉しい glad happy 痛い painful 近い close nearby 早い fast early 遅い slow late 嫌い don't like hate 軽い lightweight light in weight 重い heavy 寂しい lonely 細い thin 太い thick 広い wide 黄色い yellow adjective. Alright, that's all for today. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. またね。